Owodaily review part 2. Okay, welcome guys to my channel, and this is the part 2 of the video that I talked about. So the part 1, if you haven't watched the part 1, I recommend you watch the part 1. The link is going to be down in the description below. So in this part 2, we are going to discuss about the the advanced way of how you can make money using Owodaily platform. So apart from the parts that you're just going to do digital jobs, in this video you're going to see how you're going to be able to be creative with Owodaily and use it like a platform which you can make money from. So there are two ways you can make money with Owodaily. One of the ways is that you can be an affiliate. The second way is that you can start an agency. So a social media agency is what you can start. And let me show you guys something now. Okay, so now if you come to this platform called fiverr.com, yeah, you know, everybody knows Fiverr. If you don't know Fiverr, it's just a freelancing platform. So a freelancing platform is where you're going to post your skills, and then people are going to look for your skills, and then they are going to pay you after you complete them, jobs for them. So now if you come here, you can see that there's a lot of viral video branding, viral video products, viral video promotion. So now let's check for a promotion that someone is doing. Let's check for, so you can see this promotion here, this YouTube promotion or so. You can see this. So this is exactly what this person is doing, and he's earning $20 for that. So this is the agency that I'm talking about. So yes, you can now create an agency. So you just brand yourself. So you can just say something, let's say I'm Victor, or just say Victor promotion something, I don't know, just brand yourself, and then you'll be doing this promotion for people. So how do you go about doing this promotion for people? So go to this your 3 dash, yeah, this 3 again, yeah, go to it, tap on it, and then you see somewhere it says post job. You can see here where it says post job here. Good, tap on it. Now when you tap on post job, you are now hiring people to do the jobs there. So you're literally now be the one putting jobs there for people to do. So when you want to post jobs, or you want to, let's say someone has paid you to boost his followership, or to kind of gaining more likes or more views, so this is where you come and put it. So here you're going to now select how many workers you want to target for it. So select, oh, here you're going to select the country rather. So here, let's say, okay, the people that you want to do these jobs for you just want Nigerians. So these are Nigerians. You can see a lot of people are here. A lot of people. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Nigeria, we have the highest people here, almost 25k. Wow. Okay. So you tap on it. I want only Nigerians. Okay. Then the influencers. What kind of influencers do you want them to do the job? Just put all. All in. You want everybody to do the job. Everybody. Then you now come down, and then the sub, yeah, this is select the subcategory. So let's go down and see the subcategory for the job. Let's say, okay, you want to boost, not install, desktop, no, all review, blog posts. Just go with the first one, all reviews, blog posts. And then come gender, all, please put just all gender. And then how many workers. So here, this is where you're going to put the workers, the minimum that they earn. So let's say now they give you okay, you want 10 people to like a post. You're going to now put in your own profit. Make sure you put in your own profit. So if 10 people, let's say we want to pay 10 people to just like a post, 20 naira will do for them. Like 20 naira should do now for 10 people. Yeah, 20 bucks should do. 20 naira, that is what they will earn for every 10 people each. Then they approve. You can just put 1 day, or the day you want they to approve. Okay, you can just leave it as 1 day. Then screenshot, that means if they should like, or they should do anything that you have put there, you put a screenshot, you put yes, they should screenshot it as proof. So worker must earn at least 15 for this. Okay, you can see it must earn at least 15 for this. Yeah, no problem. So estimated campaign cost. So this is how much it's going to cost you to run this. Yeah, to run this 20 for this is how much it's going to cost you, 420. Then here you put the title for the job. What is the job title? To like post, you just put like post. That is all. So you come down here, then you now put the details for the post. So you simply go to this link, click on this link. So you put the link. Okay, let's say now you put everything. Go to this link, click on this link, and it's going to take you there. Go and like the post. You can just put all of that. Then this is where you're going to put the job link, the link that you want them to go and like the post. Here is where you're going to put it. Then here, this is for proof. So the proof that you want, submit a screenshot of what you have liked. It's as simple as that. You put it there. Then do you want to do self approval, so that when someone has done the job, do you want to be the one to review it and then allow the commission, or you want Owodaily team to do it? But this one is going to charge you, so just you're the one that is going to do it. Just leave it there. And then you now just do post job, then it automatically posts in the group or in the marketplace for where jobs are being displayed. So now that is how you do it. So first way is you creating an agency for you, helping people go viral. Let's say, okay, they are doing their digital kind of tasks, like liking their own posts, subscribing to their channel, and all of this. So you can assign people by posting jobs for people to do there. So you create your own agency. You can even, to get more people to see your agency, you can even put it on Fiverr or any other platform, or you can post it on your own various social media platforms. So the second one is you affiliating for this. So affiliating for it is just simply you carry the link and then keep it somewhere, and you market that link. The Canva templates that you're seeing there being displayed, because most of those products there are all Canva templates, is simply just designs, business designs that are already created for business owners. So business owners sometimes don't have the time to start designing certain templates that will match their own brand. So this is where you come in. You help market this already made, already designed social media posts, ready, free post graphics. So you just promote it for them, then they buy it, then you get a commission after they do buy it. So it's going to be like in a bulk, like the templates where they can edit it themselves, and they pay for it, and then you're going to get the commission for it. As simple as that. So that is the two ways that you can make money with Owodaily, apart from the digital job site, which you can ethically make a lot of money, like most of the people out there are saying. So most of the ways, that is how you do it actually. Then the third way, let me put this bonus, because this is the third way. This is the third and kind of smart way. The third way to do it is an affiliate. Like, okay, you're running an affiliate for the Owodaily platform itself. So you carry your link for the affiliate, your affiliate link, and then you now post it for your friends that want to join the platform, and then when they register, you're going to get a commission for it. So if you have questions, you can drop it in the comment section, or you can even reach me on WhatsApp. I'm going to leave down my my link down there. So see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then turn off the notification bell, so that if I drop videos like this, you're going to get notified first. So peace.